Believe that this beautiful washi tape started out just with masking tape, a very ordinary kind of material that all of us have in our studio. And I am just going to start out by grabbing masking tape. This I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to lay it down on a piece of plastic, recycled plastic. And you can use masking tape in different widths for this. I have one that's a little bit thinner, so I'm going to add that down. But I love just taking ordinary materials and transforming them and making something beautiful. So we're just going to use watercolors and masking tape and just create some really beautiful washi that you can add into your journals and use for collage and just do so many fun things with. So you're just going to lay down the watercolor. I am kind of going crazy with my colors here. I'm using a flat, small brush, and I'm just going like all different kinds of ways. I also am adding lots of water and then varying kind of the saturation of the watercolor just to give it a little bit more interest. And I'm using all the colors, but you could definitely just use like warm colors or cool colors, or definitely have more of a theme than I do. I think also too, you could like do stamping or stenciling after this dries, and that would be really cool too, to even customize your washi tape even more. But you know, times are tight. Our wallets are, stretch a little bit thin, especially if you're in the United States. So I love just taking ordinary materials and seeing how I can use them and make them a little bit more special, right? And I love washi tape. I have a ton of it in my stash, but there's just something so meaningful about making your own kind of supplies and having your own hand in these elements, that we add to our art. So I really hope that you enjoy this process. It's really, really simple. You can even do it with kids. I think it would be really, really fun to do as a group too, and kind of see what everyone comes up with. And I just love how this turns out. I've made a couple different varieties of this kind of tape. I think on Instagram I shared a picture of one that I did with a lot of mark making, and then another one that I did with stamping. So I mean, the possibilities are endless too. And you can even use like the surgical paper tape or paper tape that you find like in the section, like with the band-aids and stuff in the Dollar Tree or in Walgreens, and you can use that too. That makes really cool washi tape too. And I just store this in a binder, and I can show you that if you'd like to see how I store my washi tapes. But I make a lot of different kinds of washi tape, so it's good to have them in one place, and I find myself returning to these a lot, so it's really fun. So I hope that you enjoy this video. It was so much fun just to watch all the colors come together. Sometimes I just need some color therapy. And this is definitely what qualifies, I think, for color therapy, is just watching all those beautiful colors run together. And it's so pretty when it dries. You still get like that really beautiful watercolor effect, but you still get that really pretty pop of color, which is so nice too. And the masking tape is not completely white, which helps a little bit. So you get that really interesting kind of off-white tint, or a little bit of yellow too. That's so pretty. But yeah, there's so many cool ways that you can make washi tape. I think I have a DIY, oh my gosh, a DIY playlist too, of years ago when I used to make a lot of my own washi tape, but I'm getting back into it. This is actually what I included in my packages for the month of August, for the mail that went out for August. And I think that they're going to love it, and they can use it in so many different ways for their projects. I like to include a little goodie that I kind of make with my own hands for some of the months. So this was one of the months that I included this beautiful washi tape that you're seeing here too. And then I kept a little bit too for myself to use in some upcoming projects. But I really hope that you enjoy this. I think sometimes we think we have to spend tons of money to make, art, but we can make beautiful things that we can use in our journals and in collages, just with a few materials. And this is how it looks dry. I'll see you next time, friends. Happy creating. Bye bye.